Okay, this is the Dogfight intro screen, and this is the way it stays when no one's on the machine. Then somebody can come on and swipe a device or just fire. If they fire, they log in as the machine. If they swipe a device, then they have their own user profile. Okay, so flash the device. Now that device sent its ID up to the server, but there's some latency there, especially right now we're in the Philippines, so it takes a few seconds. So what we do is we walk them through a tutorial, and they have to fire to get through to the menus. So go ahead and fire. And these show the basic functionality of the machine. These are the little flight tutorial shows you how to climb and dive, turn right and left. This is telling you to pedal to propel the aircraft, and then it comes to your history. So this device is keyed to a user called SuperCat. It says you have 150 credits. It tells you what city and state you're in, and it has your record here. He's never dogfighted, so he's got a record of 000, but he's flown 6 solo flights. And then he comes to this menu where he gets the option of a training flight. He can fly solo, he can dogfight, or he could log out. The dogfight is the multi-user version, so I'll show you that. Dogfight. Then it asks you the difficulty level. The next build will default to easy. Easy provides very little resistance. It does provide a little resistance when the plane is climbing, but for the most part, it's anybody can use it. And then we have different aircraft that they can select from. Each one has a different characteristics. I don't know if you can read it in the video, but one of them is ultra modern. One of them is easy to fly. One of them's big and clunky, but her weapons are better. And then if you're dogfighting, it brings you to this matchup screen, which will show you everybody who's online. Right now we only have one person online, and they're busy in a game. The color coding shows that he's busy. He's red, and you can see on the right side that it says busy. If they were green, they'd be available. If they were yellow, that would mean they were logging on. And there is a key to that. You just can't really see it here. All right, and then since there's nobody on now, he should probably go to fly solo, and you can get the fly solo from the other menu as well. And then you get to select the location when you fly solo. If you dogfight, the location is random. It'll just pick one. If both players have histories and they logged in with a device and not as a default user, then they can get weather like rain, snow, high wind, things like that. So the more experience you have, the better the game experience is, or the more challenging it is. So each one of these sceneries has a different characteristics. Rock Canyon has a promo in there where you can see billboards with album covers on there, and you hit the album cover, plays a little snippet of the song, and then if you have an email address linked to your account, it'll send you a promo like that. Electropolis is like a cityscape, and it has a air race. Islas Palmas is a tropical kind of environment where we have movie billboards in there that we'll set a promotion. Maybe you can partner with local movie theaters and get tickets out and things like that. The other scenery, Planet X, we don't have a promo for yet. It's like another planet. We're still doing a little work on that. We don't really like the look of this quite yet. It's still a work in progress. And I don't think we showed Antarctica yet either. You scroll down to Antarctica is a winter landscape, and that's got a ringtone type of promo. Where you hit a billboard, you get a ringtone, and that gets sent to you in an email. So that's the basics of the UI for the matchup. I'll just show you what happens then. Then you log on, it tells you the weather, and it gives you the top scores at that scenery, both for the all-time top scores as well as for the month that you're currently in. So if you show up in Asia on the first of the month, you're guaranteed to get the high score. And there you are, you're on the runway, it tells you to start pedaling, and I think the other videos show the gameplay pretty well. I just wanted to show you the matchup type of stuff.